Hello, Sandra here with First Class RV Adventures, and welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited because if you caught our video from yesterday, it was the days leading up to Nomad Fest, and today we are sharing day one. Day one was October 18th. It was a little bit of a quieter day because it rained all day. So we actually had opened up registration the night before. So that was a little bit busier actually when it came to registering RVers. But because it was raining, we were inside most of the day for the most part. It was a little bit of a quieter day. I did go help out to check in the VIPs over with Julie and Mark Bennett from RV Love. And Lewis helped a little bit with parking. You will get to see that it was quite indeed a rainy day, but it was wonderful. And we went out for VIP dinner, but all in all, it was a wonderful day, and you can go ahead and check it out. And if you were not at the VIP dinner, you can actually get a sneak peek in this video on all these crazy nomads and what went down. Because of the weather, the VIP dinner was rescheduled, so it had to be indoors. Originally, it was going to be outdoors at a beautiful venue, but all in all, it was incredible. The food was delicious, and most importantly, we were in great company with our fellow RV nomads. Come on, let's go check out what happened day one of Nomad Fest.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up. Jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
Okay, well I noticed it's kind of low, but
we are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
No, you just set it up in a hurry.
We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
everybody going to VIP dinner.
Don't let the past become our struggles. We will never win. Don't wanna feel suffocated. Time to break the chains.
So we're heading to the VIP dinner. What do you think about that, Jules? Yeah, baby.
We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers. We're wanderers. They're wanderers. We're wanderers.
along the way. This is just the start of the continuing program. There's going to be a lot more content down the road, a lot more exciting news releases coming down the pipe. So keep in tune to what we have going on. This is the tip of the iceberg, I believe. So it's exciting. We have some amazing sponsors here. I just want to announce some of the major sponsors we have. Airhead toilets, for all your composting toilets.
We don't have, there's so many opportunities now, especially thanks to the
I know what I am about to.
this